Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Setting up a Python coding environment on Windows. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language, and setting up a proper coding environment is essential for efficient development. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up a Python coding environment on a Windows system. Download Python. Run the installer. Install Python. Verify installation. Install virtualenv. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. You should see the prompt change, indicating that the virtual environment is active. While you can write Python code using a simple text editor, using an IDE can greatly enhance your development experience. One popular choice is Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio Code. Install Python extension. Create a Python file. Write Python code. Run the program. Congratulations! You've set up a Python coding environment on Windows, complete with a virtual environment and an IDE. This foundation will serve you well as you delve into Python development. ChatGPT.